Hey guys, it's Kira and Ish. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a snack crate box opening. This will be our first one, and we're going to talk about how we met.
Let me do the honors.
Okay.
I really don't think you need this.
And I dyed my hair back black. Well, it's purple black, but no more red for me.
So,
You didn't think I need that?
you want to tell someone, you want to speak on this? Because I don't.
Oh, it's just basically a box from around the world with different snacks in different countries and stuff like that.
So, it's an order box. Randomly, they select
Yeah,
the continent in which you get.
it's a monthly subscription.
Alright.
I seen other people doing it and I wanted to do it because I'm interested.
You ready?
Yep. Ooh, Germany.
Germany, I know they gonna have some chocolate. That's gonna be litty. I'm excited.
So the box comes like this. Oh my gosh, babe, this glare.
Oh yeah, but you can just, open it up for the bucks. What do you got? You know what you needed?
What?
Next time.
What? Chips frisk. I don't know.
Well, I see the bell pepper on there, so this should be interesting. This may be a good one. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah.
I don't. No, that's for me to spit out.
Wow, you're just automatically gonna say you're gonna spit it out?
It kind of tastes like the southern heat with Lay's. It's good. You don't like it?
I'm just trying to figure out what chip it already tastes like that I know. You know?
Southern heat for me, without the heat part. I would eat it.
It reminds me of a Lay's chip, but I'm just like trying to think of which flavor because it's not,
Throw
so
some water over here.
My 365.
And then you got peanuts on it, so.
Sweet like peanuts.
Are we supposed to be talking about how we met too?
Nah, we gonna talk about these snacks, cause baby,
She don't ever want to talk about it because she likes to switch the story.
what? We met at a freaking car wash.
Yeah. He was sweating the kid, looking at me and stuff.
Oh. No. This ain't gonna
Ooh. Tastes like aired peanuts.
popcorn.
Ooh.
I got the next one. I'm going to mix it up. Ooh, what we got? Like a volcano.
That's what it's called.
Oh, volcano.
So yeah, we met at.
Man, you should really be doing this. You only got all the nails on. Let me see the nails. Like, smart.
At
This
the
week?
car wash. No, I've been going to this car wash for years, and I've never seen this woman. Maybe because I wasn't looking, but
No comment, no comment, no comment. I'm gonna try the blue.
It has stuff in them.
Oh my god.
It's not bad, but it has stuff in the middle. It's not bad. No, I like it. No, okay, let me do the next one. Ooh. This is, and you wasn't even saying the names. Brunch Tigger. Brunch Tigger. One thing at a time.
I gotta try all this stuff and try not to like spit it out. Like, I don't know.
Be careful, because it look like that. It's just gonna like spill out. And that came in handy now, didn't it?
Let's go. That's too many?
What is this supposed to be, cereal? I don't know what. You like it?
But it's just like not supposed to taste like this. Like the taste is good, but it's just like I prefer my candy to taste like this, you know? Like, what is this?
It's like super fruity.
This ain't like Frosted Flakes, though. I mean, what is it? Fruity Pebbles.
Oh, okay, because I'm like,
Sorry.
no, it don't. Bro, I really think this is cereal. Like, you're supposed to. That sweetness is like overpowering.
Ooh. We gotta try everything in here?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
It's like per box, whatever box you choose, they give you like 10 to 15 items.
You can't eat this.
What you talking about?
I'm sure this is meat. Yeah, say salami.
Oh, for real?
Pizza,
Okay.
pizza sauce.
So I don't eat meat, so I won't be trying that one.
It's great.
You don't want to try it?
No.
Baby, try it. Try it. You have to try it. This is the box, babe.
No, I can't.
It's a part of the box.
What if? What?
Take it for the team. Yeah, just take a bite.
I'm good, thank you. I appreciate it.
Baby, take a bite.
I'm not sold on that. Oh my god.
Please. For me.
Ah!
Bro, this shit stinks so bad. I wasn't gonna say that until she bit it, but how does it taste? Naturally smoked.
It tastes like, you know, as a kid, the Lunchables, the pizza Lunchables, I swear that is a pizza Lunchable there. That's what you have right there.
So you like it?
No.
You didn't like Lunchables as a child?
As a kid, I loved the pizza one. Why?
This is too many. Butter.
That was good. I eat them all day.
Butter.
Don't, let's eat. That's the best one though. Let's. Oh, you
Save
don't
it for
want to
last?
eat? No, with that. No, come on. Oh, but oh, them
And
things
this
so
is a drink. Mezzo fit.
It's a
Mezzo
cola
mix.
orange. Cola orange.
I don't drink soda either, but I'm gonna try it for the video. This is barbecue knickknacks.
Yeah. You always need help, man. What? Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Mmm. It's good. You like it? It reminds me of oh my god, this is good.
You're gonna have to rate your top 3 best items about this box.
Ooh, we should have been rating them from the beginning.
Nope.
Okay,
Just name
so
your top 3.
1 out of 10, I would say this is a 7.
Well,
What you think?
I know this finna.
Babe, you gotta tell them the name, like show them the pack.
Y'all right. My bad, y'all fault. This is the next one.
My bad, your fault. That looks like a
It's gonna
What
be
is that thing
good.
called?
Just know it's gonna be good.
what is that thing called though?
It's hazelnut. You can see the hazelnut on the package. So I know it's gonna be messy. You gonna take a piece? I'm gonna eat it after that. What you got?
I give it an 8. It's good. It's good, right? And I know Germany probably don't have all this artificial crap we use in the USA. And then this is also a crispy kind of treat. Knoppers. I know I'm saying this all wrong. You liked it?
Hanata.
Hanuta.
Oh, let me make sure my car ain't ready. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Let me get it. Was it good? What was it?
I think it's good. It's good to me a little bit. What you think?
All that chocolate is good from Germany. I told you I was excited.
These are suckables.
I gave you 2.
I don't want to suck on that.
You should. Wait, you picking out everything? What you doing?
Oh, I was excited about
It's the
these.
same thing. These are it. They are
Latch gummy.
minis. This is what it is. Vitamin wheat, baby. Alright. This is like an orange slice.
It tastes like fruity gummies. Shit, like really.
Yeah. I don't get lemon. Okay. These good. I like them.
I see. I see that you do.
I'm gonna finish these up.
Snack that. Snack that. It's really called snack that.
Oh, this side? You know in the camera? I'm just curious to know because I know.
Wow. Oh my gosh, man. Babe.
I'm just looking because you ain't gonna try them, so I'm gonna make sure I try these little jewels. That's a marble. That's against my diet. I can't try that. Tell me how it is. I watch from a distance.
Maybe because I'm not like a chocolate cake lover. I don't think so. You want to try? It's like too chocolatey for me. It's good though. It's not bad.
It's a marble loaf.
I think that
It's a marble loaf. For sure.
I think that I picked Canada, so I don't know why we got Germany.
Canada's gonna be chocolate too.
I don't care. I just picked Canada. So maybe we could decide to move there based on the snacks.
These her is gonna be the topper. I get these now. Baby.
These are the best ones.
I know.
Simplicity at its best.
Right. They got these that they make with chocolate. Ooh, at the bottom. That German chocolate.
These are mine.
Ooh,
Don't touch them. Okay. We gotta try this. I gotta watch this, y'all.
Alright.
So you can suck on them while I do this.
Okay.
Because you want to suck on it so bad. Suck on it so bad, girl. Go ahead. Go ahead, little bird. Babe, why would you have this open like this? What if I would have picked it up at the tip? Okay, so this, you already said what it was, right? Miso mix. Grab a miso mix. They seeing it.
You think? I'm just serious. This girl, maybe.
Grab a miso mix. Hold on.
These candies kind of hit. I get these extra ones. These are mine for keeps.
No, they're not. You done ate half of that pack already. That one is mine. No, it's not, babe. It's okay because I'm keeping these crackers. The best thing in the box.
These are good.
They are.
The green one.
I'll try it. Just suck and see. Instead of for its sake, for sucking sake, we'll try it.
I think I can get in like.
It's something in the middle of this, right?
Yeah, I just got it.
I don't want that. So, by far, these are the worst.
The worst. Put it back in the box and close it up later. Let me get the rest of my candy out. So we finna trash this.
Goodbye.
Okay.
So those are the worst. I can't judge this because she's the only one that ate. These are these are the best.
Okay.
These are the best.
This is not great. These here, they're bag trash.
Look.
What, you think this was worse? This wasn't that great, but they go in at the same time. These two go in at the same time as no.
Stop.
Why?
I
You
like
them?
these.
Ew. Now
What about
those
this?
had stuff in the middle. She gonna eat those, but she won't eat one of these. Yeah, baby. Like, aren't they the same?
Because it don't do nothing for me.
Those
These
was
ones-
pretty good.
Yeah.
Girl, this can go in there.
No, it can't. No, it can't. Oh shit.
We have totally different taste buds.
Where it went? These are good, but they're
You
like.
gonna try that with milk?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay.
Oh no. Maybe. Maybe it might be good. I tried the blue one last time. So I'm kind of blue.
That wasn't good.
I bet it's different. This Huntua,
Hazelnut.
this was kind of good.
It was good for me.
These were good too.
No, they were decent.
They were good.
They were decent.
Like they have a crisp on the outside and they have something crispy on the side.
Ew, why you put that there?
So yeah, I think that's it. Did you like the soda?
Wow, this was good. I didn't try the soda.
Really?
Oh. So about that, it's really hot. I don't know who drinks hot sodas, so I get the orange. I also get the Coca-Cola, like, you know, dark. I don't know. I just don't know, man.
These are really good. I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's really good.
You just okay. So I think she liked the German snack pack.
No.
Cause you got so much stuff saved over here. You don't want these to go. I show the folks. She liked these. She don't want me to trash these. She doesn't want me to trash these. Where are these? So she likes the snack pack.
In my butter.
Oh, in the butter.
Don't touch my butter. Don't lay your hand on my butter finger.
I know who I'm cleaning up tonight.
So yeah, you guys, this could go in there too.
I like wafers with chocolate.
Okay, but did you like this?
It was decent. You know,
Have you shit, and this is milk.
Thanks for letting know. I don't know. I appreciate it, babe. I'll make sure. I mean, so overall, it was just.
I definitely want to try the Canada one.
I really wanted more chocolate. I was expecting chocolate, and if we are over a certain age on this, they could have sent us the chocolate that has the alcohol. And come on, Germany, I know y'all better.
Is this like a alcohol? They don't have an alcohol edition. I'm sorry.
She got that. She right.
Why don't you create a box with alcohol treats? Okay. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Seriously.